Hi, welcome to another Cara Co tutorial. Our 5-point Christmas star ornament has always been a favorite around the office, and we are super excited to show you how to make it as well. Made with durable silicone beads and strong nylon cording, this ornament will stand the test of time. All the written instructions can be found on our website, as well as the supplies needed. Let's get crafting. To make your own Christmas star, you will need one length of 60-inch nylon cording, 10 12mm beads in one color, 10 12mm beads in another color, and 5 12mm beads in another color. You'll need sharp scissors, a lighter, pliers, and a crafting needle. Alrighty, let's get into it. Gather up your supplies and thread your cord of choice onto your crafting needle. Next, thread on 10 12mm beads, pushing them into the middle point of your cord. Take the working end of your string, pass your crafting needle around and through your first bead in the opposite direction, creating a loop. Pull your cording to round out your loop. On your working end of the cord that your crafting needle is still strung on, thread 2 12mm beads in a different color than your first 10 in the loop. Take your crafting needle and work counterclockwise. Skip a bead and push your needle through the next bead. Pull the cording tight. Thread on another 2 beads in the same color and repeat this step again. Continue doing this until you've gone the entire way around the loop. Your star should be taking shape. You will end up with your cords coming out either side of your starting bead. Take your crafting needle off of your working end, which is now much shorter than the other cording end, and thread the needle on the other longer cord. Thread the cord counterclockwise through the corner bead closest to it. Thread one of your 5 12mm beads in your third color choice. Feed the string back down through the next corner bead. Go through the bead on the original loop. Repeat this step until you have a bead at each of the 4 of 5 tips of your star. On your last point, do not thread your last bead. Instead, remove your crafting needle from the working end. Thread it on the opposite end that has been sitting and bring them both up through the corner beads on the last point. Your cords should both be together at this point. Thread your crafting needle on both ends of your cord and slide your final point bead onto them both. Push the bead down all the way. Taking both cords, make a loop large enough to hang your ornament on a branch and tie a knot. Trim the ends of your cording and use your lighter, melting the ends to keep them from fraying. Handmade ornaments are so rewarding to make and are wonderful gifts to your friends and family, or even a gift for yourself. We hope you enjoyed crafting up memories this holiday season. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and make sure you head to our YouTube page for more crafting inspiration. Happy crafting!